So we have just discussed the motor register, and now we are going to discuss what values we have to set an AFR 0 register, that is AFRL register, according to reference manual. So we have to set 8, 9 and 10 bit. Let us see why we are setting these bits. This is the register we are looking for, and AF7 we have to set. AF7 in binary is 0111. So we have to set it for AF2 pin. AF2 pin. So AF0, AF1 and AF2. These 3 bits we have to put as 3, and this one should be 0. Counting from here, this is 8th, this is 9th, and this is 10th bit. So we have to set all the 3 bits as 1. So therefore we have set these bits as 8th, 9th and 10th bit. So now let us set the baud rate. It is set by the PRR register. Simply assign a value. It is error due to O letter I have put instead of 0, so put a 0 here. Now we have to set the bits of CR1 register. You will see in the reference manual why we are setting those bits. The bits will be 0th, 2nd and 3rd bit. So let us first set 3rd bit, then 2nd bit and the 0th bit. Now let us see what the significance of these bits in CR1 register of Uart. Simply search for Uart CR1. Search again. We are looking for register and its values, so this is not significant to us. This one is we are looking for. So we are setting the 0th, 2nd and 3rd bit. So this code is for transmit only. You can omit the setting of this receive enable, but you have to set transmit enable and UE bit. Let us see what they are for. The 0th and 3rd bit. Transmitter enable. This bit enables a transmitter. It is set and cleared by software. So if it is 1, transmitter is enabled. And if we look at the 0th bit, it is Uart enable. So it will simply enable the Uart. So the values are set. Now we have to simply use the value of the variable and put it into TDR register, that is transmit data register of the UART. Let me assign it a value of A and see on terminal if it is coming or not. First, you need to compile the code, check if there is any errors, then we will program the controller and see what is coming on the serial terminal. The code is ready to be programmed. The controller is programmed. Press the reset button. Use any serial terminal you have in your PC. I am using Arduino ID. Baud rate set is 9600. So select the COM port. It is set. Now select the terminal. So you can see the data A is coming continuously. So our driver was successful. This code in this code we are setting this value, and this value is valid for a certain frequency. In our code it is valid for 8 megahertz only. If you have different frequency of the UART, you have to set different value. After looking at the reference manual, go to the UART peripheral and search for it and set a different value. So this was for setting baud rate as 9600. Thank you. Keep subscribing for my channel and like it. Thank you and have a nice day.